As we prepare for the return of our students during September, I would like to update those of you living in Lampeter and the surrounding area of the arrangements that the University of Wales Trinity St David has put in place as we continue to manage the coronavirus context. The health and well-being of our community, staff, students and members of the public living and working near to our campuses have been our priority in planning our response to the pandemic from the beginning. I want to reassure you that in close collaboration with the Students' Union, we are continuing to take the appropriate steps in order to safeguard our community. Like all universities, UWTSD, in liaison with the Welsh Government, Ceredigion County Council, Hywel Dda University Health Board and the higher education sector, has put in place a range of measures to mitigate against the spread of the coronavirus. Such measures include reconfiguring our campuses to allow social distancing, making face coverings mandatory in publicly accessible spaces, increasing cleaning regimes and installing hygiene stations, as well as rearranging our timetable to facilitate attendance. Although it is not mandated, we are strongly encouraging all our students and staff to take up the offer of the vaccine to protect themselves and our community, and are working with our local health boards to facilitate the vaccine rollout. The university values the continued support of the communities it serves and the close relationship of mutual trust and respect that we have developed over many years. The past 18 months have been difficult for all of us, and we have missed welcome you to the campus to enjoy the many events which are important aspects of university life. As we prepare to welcome more of our students back to campus for in-person teaching this month, we're also looking at more opportunities for our community to share in our work, in person and online. This is an exciting time for the university as we look forward to celebrating our bicentenary in 2022, which marks the laying of the foundation stone of St David's College, Lampeter on the 12th of August 1822. This was the beginning of higher education in Wales, and from those early beginnings, this institution, along with its predecessors, has continuously served the needs of our communities. Over the past 2 centuries, we have evolved, transforming our academic offer, enhancing learning opportunities and access to higher education in order to respond to the social and economic needs of the day. And so, in celebrating our bicentenary, we also celebrate the role our communities, including the community of Lampeter, of course, have played in our journey. I look forward to sharing our plans with you in due course and to inviting you to join us in our celebrations. Thank you for your continued support. It is greatly appreciated.